CarStory research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, leather seats, dual sun moonroof, ventilated seats. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.